Thank you very much for joining with me, friends. In this video, now that we are going to see the 4 important things. Number 1, what is the marketing plan? Number 2, benefits of having marketing plan. Number 3, 6 essential steps for creating marketing plan. Number 4, tips for creating successful marketing plan. So after viewing this video, comment your learnings in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more wonderful learnings. I am the leading business coach from India. I am helping hundreds of organizations grow much bigger and much faster. I am also very happy to help you. Please contact me for your business growth.
What is marketing plan? An introduction to the 6 essential steps of creating one. What is a marketing plan? A marketing plan is a document that outlines your marketing strategy. It includes your objectives, target market, positioning, messaging, and tactics. It also includes budgets and timelines. Benefits of a marketing plan. Better understand your target market, define your business objectives, develop strategies that are tailored to your business goals, measure the effectiveness of your marketing efforts, make more informed decisions about where to allocate your resources. Step 1. Research and analyze your market. Your target market is the group of people most likely to buy your products or services. To reach them, you need to understand their demographics, such as age, gender, location, etc., psychographics, such as lifestyle, interests, and values, and behavior, such as shopping habits. Step 2. Set clearly defined goals. To set effective goals, consider what you want to achieve with your marketing campaign. Do you want to increase brand awareness? Drive more traffic to your website? Boost sales of a particular product or service? Once you have a good idea of your objectives, you can start setting measurable goals. Step 3. Identify your target market. When it comes to identifying your target market, it is important to consider factors such as age, gender, location, interests, and needs. By understanding these factors, you will be able to better tailor your marketing message and approach to appeal to your specific target audience. Step 4. Develop strategies to reach your goals. It's important to choose the right mix of strategies that will work best for you. Some common marketing strategies include advertising, publicity, sales promotion, event marketing, direct marketing. Step 5. Create an action plan with timelines and budgets. Start by creating a timeline for each objective, detailing when and how you'll execute each strategy. Then, allocate a budget for each activity. Be sure to consider both the monetary cost and the opportunity cost of your time and resources. Step 6. Monitor, evaluate, and adjust. You need to track progress and objectives to ensure you are on the right track. A good place to start is by tracking your leads and sales. This will help you determine if your marketing efforts are resulting in conversions. Other important things to monitor include web traffic, social media engagement, and brand awareness. By understanding the fundamentals of what makes up a successful marketing plan, you can ensure that your efforts are focused on the right areas and make sure that you reach both short-term and long-term targets.